Today, we're taking the Boeing 727, a 63 old years plane design. Today, it's cargo operation in Colombia, from Jose Maria to Bogota. This promised to be a crazy flight, from the start to the landing. Like the video, subscribe and comment. Have a nice video and safety flight.
Preflight checklist started. Battery on, APU check. Start checks started. Hydraulic A pumps are off. Altimeter is set to 1025. Nav, beacon, and logo lights set. Emergency exit lights armed. Window heat is on. Radios are on. Departure briefing is complete. Logbook has been checked. Alternate flaps off.
Are you ready for the departure brief?
Go ahead.
Stall warning tested.
Okay, the newest weather show, wet and foggy condition.
Engine and wing
We'll plan for a
anti-ice set
push
to
and
off.
start for a 3 engines taxi. There are no hotspots along our taxi
Flight
route.
control
It
shutoffs
will be a left
on.
seat takeoff. We'll plan on a normal thrust. Take off prior to you for the controls in case of any master warning engine fire
Anti-skid
or
tested.
failure that will prevent
Comparators
her
checked.
flying the aircraft safely. We'll abort and stop on runway. After V1, we take it flying and
Ground
deal with
proximity
it
warning
on
system
the air
checked.
and plan to come back here. Any questions?
No question.
Okay, that complete the brief.
Airspeed warning checked. Yaw dampers on. Throttle warning horn tested. Stabilizer trim checked.
Ready for push. Departure checks completed. Bypass pin inserted. Locking gear. Release parking brakes, please. Commencing push. All engines clear. Start at wheel.
After start checks.
Cockpit to ground. We have a good engine start. You can disconnect.
Boost pumps all on. Hydraulic A pumps on. Hydraulic system nav, B beacon, and logo lights set. Emergency exit lights armed.
Unlocking gear.
Window heat is on. Gyro nav compass source set to normal. Alternate flaps off. Engine and wing anti-ice set to off.
Total disconnected. Bypass pin removed.
Flight control shutoffs on.
Left is clear. Right is clear.
Anti-skid checked and off. Comparators checked.
Glide slope. Pull up.
Ground proximity warning system checked. Flight instruments all on 1. Airspeed warning checked. Yaw dampers on. Spoilers detent. Flight director checked. After start checks complete.
Flight controls check. Ready. Full left. Full right. Full down. Full up. Rudder full left. Back to neutral. Rudder full right. Back to neutral. Flight controls check completed.
Taxi checks. Taxi lights are on. Flaps 15 set. EPR is set to 0.0. Trim is set to 0.10. Heat on. Air condition checked and set.
Gear up.
Takeoff checks. Ignition is off. Landing gear is set to off. Hydraulic system B, pump 1 is off. After takeoff checks complete. Approaching minimums.
500. Seat rate. 50.
Minimums.
30. 20. 10.
Wing brake set. Transponder off. Engine and wing anti-ice set to off. Window and propane off. Beacon off. Emergency. Hydraulic system B all off. Hydraulic A pumps are off.